IPL team Delhi Daredevils has announced their association with UNICEF for the cause of the girl child. At an event for this announcement, Captain Virendra Sehwag and all-rounder Ajit Agarkar, along with a host of members from the support staff, was present along with some officials from UNICEF. At this event, Viru and Agarkar both pledged their support for this noble cause and also promised that they would promote it as much as they could through the popularity of the game.
It's important for us, not for us, for everybody, to support girl child. Make sure that she goes to the school. Make sure she'll get married after 18, and make sure that she have a right to say no for certain things, and make sure that she can participate in their houses, to give their opinion or to raise their voices. And important for everyone to support that cause. And I'm very grateful to UNICEF to they are associating with Delhi Daredevils, so we can promise them that we can do whatever you need from us. We are ready to help you. We are ready to do anything for this cause. And when the UNICEF people were briefing me, I got to know that there is a 40% young girls, and around 14 to 17, they are not going to the school, and around 50% girls, young girls, are getting married before age of 18. So it's not good sign for India. When we go abroad, we'll see there are a lot of women or girls working for corporates, working for media, working for companies. But when you move around India, you hardly see girls who are working for corporates and working in media or maybe in other companies. So it's our responsibility to give chances to the girls or women to work with men and within any company or any in media sections. So we are ready to help anything, and it's our honor to be associated with UNICEF. So thank you very much, and I'm hoping that all media people also will support this cause.
Basically, I can't. Everyone summed it up really well. It is an important cause, as everyone next to me has said. And again, being a part of the Delhi Daredevil team, we are delighted to be associated. And obviously, as Viru said, we'll do our utmost that we can to help the cause. It is obviously a very, very important issue that needs to be addressed. And sport, because we are associated with a sport that is so popular in India, there are a lot more people who can actually help going forward. So thanks, Karen, for being obviously associated with Delhi Daredevils, and we look forward to the association.